afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. And this is the report is all about the group 6. The topic is all about the globalization of religion. And I am the reporter, Rickson Sigobia Sabro, which is good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. Our topic is all about the globalization of religion. When we talk the globalization is when we talk the whole worldwide or the either country, and the religion is we talk the vital of the lives and of Filipinos, for their values are anchored, or it has offered their attitudes, characters, and perspective lives. The religion ko naman kay kanang is nagkuhan sa nagbase sa imong attitude wherein imong sa imong pagtuo sa namagdayo sa ito ang galingon nga lahi tawag religion because pero if nga usa ta sa atuang ang atuang kuhan sa atuang gituhan with the one God and belief. Second is globalization. And globalization can refer to the worldwide or the interconnectedness of all areas the contemporary social life. One of these areas is religion, which entails a personal or organized system or religious belief and practices. Ay nakabutan rin no is naka-define ang globalization is the inner country nag-define og unsa nga unsay kuan sa atuang dito sa atuang sa Pilipinas nga usa ka Pilipino nga mo representar sa atuang nason nga mukha ng something talent or either ba dapat suportahan gyud nato nga mo usa ta ka proud nga usa ka Pinoy. Then on one, the inner globalization has affected religion on various ways to pave the way for the rise of religious or nationalism. Dapat na po tayo magkumpetensya sa atong galingon. One of the nationalism dapat magkinabangay or either to serve the counter an attitude and the turn of religion into public life. The proliferation of international or terrorism and the increase of individual religiosity. In the turn of religion into a public, like example, kanang usa ka religyoso nga tawo, dapat dili nimo ipakita sa uban nga tawo nga makasala ka or either nga magmulait ka sa usa ka tawo, dapat mo religiosity kana kay makigkuan ka sa imong kabalo ka mo abi-abi sa usa ka tawo nimo di kay usa ka mangdaot or either nga imo sa gaman sa kanang daotan ba nga ikalain siya. And it's the practice of the belief and practices. No? Karang sa to yung kan sa to kagalingon dapat nabalutan mo control. Dili lang kay sa atuang balay or either sa school dapat natay kabulutan mamatasan nga isig sa atuang pamilya or either sa atuang mga kabarkada, and that's all.
I am Giselle A. Taaka, BSIS 2C. My report is vernacularization. It refers to the blending of universal religions with local languages. For instance, Arabic is used as Islam's sacred language even outside the Arab world, while Greek and Latin remains to the primary language of Christianity. This vernacularization of religion also results in the creation of new branches of religion, such as the Orthodox Christianity, which stems from Christianity. So, ang vernacularization ay ang proseso kung saan isang wika o dialekto ay nagiging pangunahing paraan ng komunikasyon ng isang particular na relihiyon, kadalasang pinapalitan ang isang mas formal o malawakang ginagamit na wika. Ito ay maaaring mangyari sa iba't ibang konteksto, gaya ng mga linguistic Ang linguistic ay ang paglipat mula sa paggamit ng isang formal na wika. Next is indigenization. Transform a universal religion to suit the specific of a particular ethnic group. An example is a practice of Islam by various ethnic groups in the Zamboanga Peninsula. Sa pagkilala at paggalang ng mga katutubong gawi tulad ng mga pamamaraan ng pagpapagaling sa pangangalagang pangkalusugan o tradisyonal at ng kaalaman sa ekolohiya sa pamahala ng kapaligiran.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Riani Sombang, BSISM 2C. My report is nationalization. Nationalization is construct a link between the nation and church, religion, institution related to the national identities and relative of that nation being part of the nation means belonging to its national church. The denomination is example of a national church in the Philippines. People also tend to add national to religion identification. Ang nationalization ay bumubuo ng ugnayan sa pagitan ng bansa at simbahan. Ang mga relihiyosong institusyon ay naugnay sa mga pambansang pagkakakilanlan at ang mga katotohanan ng bansang iyon ay pagiging bahagi ng bansa ay nangungulugan ng pagiging kabilang sa pambansang simbahan ito. Ang Philippine Independent Church, isang independent Christian denomination ay isang halimbawa ng isang pambansang simbahan sa Pilipinas. Ang mga tao ay may posibilidad ng pagdadagat ng mga pambansang modifier sa kanilang pagkakakilanlan. Next is transnationalization. Has complete religion and nationalization by focusing groups and identifying specific religion tradition, overall of image, national homeland, Iglesia ni Cristo in one good example of this. This Christian organization is national local mix. The developed a model of 4-district organization, indigenization, verticalization, nationalization, and
Good evening everyone, my name is Ki Hydrian H. Cosol from BSISM 2C and my assigned topic is all about globalization. So what is globalization? The religious nationalism that can be about after the Second War nationalism was closely associated with particular religious beliefs and affiliation. For example, the Philippines corrupting the law is sometimes on the lawmaker belief in Christianity in 2018. The globalization affected the pluralization of the international terrorism for one religious extremism, a type of political violence on the belief that supreme being grants violence in the act. In my own idea, globalization of the one important intellectual and social phenomena of the contemporary moment, which mean the globalization, yet its meaning and effect are widely consistent. From the financial crisis to climate change, it is clear that political issues can have global impact, and equally global pandemics, corporation, market, and other phenomena, the impact upon local lives in multiple and uneven ways.
Good morning, sir. My name is Daniel Isboon, and today we will tackle the concept of nationalism and its intersection with religious nationalization, focusing on the case of the Iglesia ni Cristo as a prime example of this phenomenon. Transnationalism refers to the interconnectedness and interactions between people, cultures, and nations across borders, while religious nationalization involves the emphasis on specific religious traditions within the context of national identity. Example: nationalization has played a significant role in shaping religious identities and associations in the modern world. It has facilitated the spread of religions, beliefs, and practices beyond national boundaries, leading to the formation of transnational religious communities with global roots. In the case of the Iglesia ni Cristo, a Christian organization with roots in the Philippines, nationalists has enabled it to establish strong presence not only within the Philippines but also internationally, showcasing the national identity and global outreach. The Iglesia ni Cristo exemplifies the fusion of religious nationalization and transnationalism. While the organization is rooted in Filipino culture tradition, it has fully expanded its influence beyond the Philippines to establish global presence. In conclusion, the concept of transnationalist intersecting with religious nationalization offers one's perspective on the dynamics of religious identity, affiliation, and globalization. World, the case of the Iglesia ni Cristo serves as a compelling example of how religious organization can navigate the complexities of national and transnational contexts, highlighting the fluidity and adaptability of religious traditions in a connected and diverse society. Thank you, sir. My report.
Good afternoon everyone, especially to our handsome teacher, Mr. Ronit Bilbao. Sir, good afternoon. My name is Janbert Bayawapos, BSISM 2C. My assigned topic is all about DT realization. So what is DT realization? So DT realization is a culture picture that blurs the lines between culture and place and thus transcends territorial boundaries. This is highly characteristic of migration amidst globalization. The interaction of religion and culture resulted in global local religion. So what is global local religion? It is a global religion with a local mix. Rodumi Top 2014 developed a model of our distinct globalization: indigenization, vernaculation, nationalization, and transactionalization. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
Good day, sir. I am Joshua P. Exchaure from Group 6, and my topic is all about the Marawi City Siege, in which the ISIS Mauti Group Alliance was a small group quest for Bangsamoro identity and power over the exclusive jurisdiction. The Marawi City Siege is also known as Siege of Marawi, and the Marawi Crisis was a 5-month-long armed conflict that took place in Marawi City, Philippines from May 23 to October 23, 2017. The siege was initiated by ISIS-affiliated Mauti Group and other local Islamist militant groups. The conflict arose from a quest for Bangsamoro identity and power over its exclusive jurisdiction. During the siege, the militants captured key areas of Marawi, burned buildings, demolished churches, and took Christians as hostages. The Philippine military launched a campaign to retake the city, engaging in intense close-quarter combat with insurgents. The battle resulted in significant infrastructure damage,